Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Miata NB. First, ensure your car is in top mechanical shape, checking tires, brakes, and fluids. Find a large, safe, open area like a dedicated track or skid pad, free from obstacles and other vehicles. Always disable any electronic aids, such as traction control or stability control, before attempting to drift. Begin with very low speeds to get a feel for the car's reactions. To initiate a drift, approach a corner at a moderate speed. Turn the steering wheel sharply into the corner, then quickly apply a firm clutch kick to break the rear wheel's traction. Another effective method is to use a quick pull of the handbrake, which can also help get the rear end sliding. Remember, smooth and decisive inputs are key to a controlled initiation. Once the car begins to slide, you must countersteer quickly in the direction of the slide to maintain control. Use precise throttle modulation to control the drift angle and speed. It's crucial to look where you want the car to go, not directly at any obstacles. Practice smooth transitions between your throttle and steering inputs to sustain the drift gracefully. To exit a drift, gradually reduce your throttle input while simultaneously straightening the steering wheel. This allows the rear wheels to smoothly regain traction and bring the car back into a straight line. Consistent practice is essential for improving your drifting skills and understanding your Miata's behavior. Always prioritize safety and respect your personal limits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.